In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create private stories on Snapchat. Okay, so once you've opened up Snapchat, you want to go ahead and take a story. So I'll go ahead and just take a quick picture. And now that I've taken my snap, I can tap on the blue send button at the bottom right. Now you have an option to add it to your story, but to create a private story, you can see at the top right, it says plus new story. If you go ahead and tap on that, you will have two options, private story and custom story. So if you want to create a private story, tap on private story. And now you can go ahead and select the friend that you want to send the private story to. And now all you need to do is tap on the blue create story button. And you can give it a name. I'll just leave it as Steven's private story and then tap on save. And now you want to go ahead and tap on your private story that you just created. And then you want to tap on the send button at the bottom right. Now the private story has been sent. So if I tap on my avatar at the top left, you can see you have stories, which is your normal stories, and then you have private stories. So that is how you create a private story on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.